Hi friends, this is DN Reddy. Today we are going to see what are the real facts behind universal molds and mobile case printing business. There are different varieties in universal molds. Basically molds. There are different types. Those are wooden molds and clay molds and aluminum handmade molds and aluminum machine made and Chinese mold. There are many varieties here. And how to start the business using the cases? First, you need to choose only 100 cases and the best machine and blanks and molds we need and sublimation tape we need. Let's coming to the molds. These are the different molds, different 38 molds which we have been using for last 2 years. We started our business with 100 plus molds. We started buying blue color mold which is made in China. It used to cost 1200 rupees when we start business. Now the price comes down to 800 to 900. But still it is huge amount when you are starting a new business. And so we started buying, searching for other molds. Those are Indian made. In Indian made also there are different varieties. This is mold is handmade. We can expect little minor fitting issues. But we also have different varieties in Indian made mold. Those are premium, best aluminum, machine made, Chinese fitting. I'll show you at the end of this video. I'll show you how exactly that looks like. The precise fixing, precise sizing measurements. We started business in 2016 and it has been around 4 years now. We started purchasing molds and we got around 120 molds. So we started, why do we need to invest this much amount on simply on molds? So we have started figuring out what are the best suitable molds we need. We figured out 36 best suitable molds which supports around 200 plus molds. When you are starting new business, these 36 I highly recommend to use first. Whenever you are going for online business, then you need to have individual molds for each model, because when someone returns your mobile case which has minor fitting issues, as a seller you will lose 100 to 120 rupees. You need to bear the product to reach the courier charges to reach to the customer, and return charges you need to bear. So make sure that whenever you are going for online, make sure you use individual molds for each model. And there are somebody who says take 50 molds or 36 molds, or basically not 36, the other people are saying 46 molds. They are charging 28,000 rupees or 27,000 rupees, and they say it fits for every model which is coming in the future. But we are not sure that they are simply making their business, but the future we are not sure that what kind of sizes we are going to get. But we figured out the best suitable set which supports 200 plus models. Whenever you are running offline business, these 36 are only enough, what I say. And the universal molds what we are going to give are the highly quality, precise, quality check. Everything is done over there. So I recommend and I'll show you how exactly it is going to look like at the end. See, this is the high quality Indian made mold die which we recommend you to use whenever you are going for offline or online. We give you the best price and the best suitable set. There is no fraud. There is nothing. You start using them, and with the low investment you can get the higher income, higher profits, and you don't need to spend 100 rupees, 1000 rupees or 800 rupees or 900 rupees for Chinese mold, because we are getting the best molds at lesser price. Thank you for watching. My number will be given in the description. You can message me on WhatsApp. Not only the molds, we also have sublimation, all kind of sublimation products and sublimation setups, sublimation machinery, sublimation raw materials, Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, Paytm account support. We also sell the entire account, which is getting $100 orders per day. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to get the latest videos from me. Thank you again.